coming to that sound. Don't write it, it's there in the notes. You can refer resonance tube experiment from the notes. Resonance tube experiment and elimination of end. Correction I am doing just now. Resonance tube experiment. So in exam, mostly 11th now, they may not ask, but in entrance or MCQs they may ask. Explain resonance tube experiment to determine. Explain resonance tube experiment to determine velocity of sound in air at room temperature. Consider, or we can say it consists of hollow cylindrical metallic tube open at both ends. Hollow cylindrical metallic tube open at both ends, kept immersed in a glass jar containing water. Kept immersed in a glass jar containing water. By raising or lowering the tube, length of air column in the tube can be varied. By placing vibrating tuning fork near open end, air column is set into forced vibration, hence longitudinal waves are formed. These waves gets partially reflected from water surface, thus incident and reflected wave interferes to form stationary wave. At open end, air molecules are free to vibrate, antinodes are formed. At closed end, nodes are formed. By adjusting the tube, air column is made to vibrate with minimum length. Hence, one antinode and one node must have been formed. From the figure, length L is lambda by 4. So lambda equals to 4L. Therefore, n equals to V upon lambda. So n equals to V upon 4. Therefore, V equals to 4 NL. Using above formula, speed of sound can be determined. Yes, follow. Hello, have you followed this?
Yes, sir.
Dhruv is not able to join, he said. एक मिनट जरा ध्रुव को फोन करता हूँ फिर आता हूँ. ठीक है ठीक है. Hello Dhruv.
यस सर.
What it was showing?
सर कंप्यूटर में प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है, उसमें दिखा रहा है मीटिंग इनकरेक्ट. मैं मोबाइल से ज्वाइन किया.
अच्छा अच्छा, अब वापस कंप्यूटर ऑफ करके फिर से ज्वाइन करोगे ना, 10 मिनट के बाद आ जाएगा.
हाँ वही कर रहा हूँ सर.
See, can you see this screen?
यस सर.
अच्छा, we were doing the question. Describe resonance tube experiment to determine velocity. तो पहले मैंने बोला what is resonance tube का apparatus. It consists of hollow cylindrical tube. ये hollow cylindrical tube open at both ends, kept immersed in a glass jar containing water. By raising, lowering, length of air column can be varied. So by placing vibrating tuning fork near open end, air column is made to vibrate with forced vibration. Hence, longitudinal waves are formed. These waves gets reflected from water surface. Thus, incident and reflected wave interferes to form stationary wave. At open end, air molecules are free to vibrate. Antinodes are formed. At closed end, nodes are formed. By adjusting air column to vibrate with minimum length, one antinode and one node is formed. Therefore, L equals to lambda by 4. Lambda is 4L. Frequency V by lambda. V is equals to then 4NL. So using above formula, velocity can be determined. Clear?
Yes, sir.
See, what is value of velocity of sound in air at NTP? 332. And at room temperature 340. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So at room temperature, if it is 340, practically भी मुझे आंसर इसके आसपास से मिलना चाहिए ना?
Yes, sir.
तो बाय चांस मुझे मिल रहा है आंसर 310, तो कुछ एरर है क्या नहीं पे?
Yes, sir. There is an error.
हाँ, so क्या एरर किया होगा देखो. Experimentally it is found that antinode is not formed exactly at the open end, but हम लोग ने exactly open end से water surface का length L बोला, which is antinode and node का बीच का distance बोल दिया. So experimentally it is found that antinode is not exactly at open end, but slightly above the open end. Thus, correction must be added to the length of air column. This correction is called as end correction. It is given by E equal to 0.3D, where D is internal diameter of the tube. So now we can say V is 4NL plus end correction, which is 0.3D. Using above formula, velocity can be determined accurately. Clear? बाउंसर क्या लगता है ना? हेलो,
Yes, sir.
देखो एंटीनोड प्रैक्टिकली आया कि इधर आता है थोड़ा ऊपर, तो ये डिस्टेंस ऐड करना पड़ेगा ना एक्स्ट्रा. वो नाम दिया उसको E, उसका वैल्यू कितना है? 0.3D. तो अर्लियर व्हाट यू आर राइटिंग L, इट इज नॉट L, it is L, length of air column plus वो extra part ना antinode and node का distance.
Yes, sir.
So L plus this end correction is actual distance between antinode and node. Using above formula, velocity can be determined accurately. Clear? Hello, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, अभी एक छोटा सा पार्ट. What is end correction? How it can be eliminated? What is end correction? How it can be eliminated? Experimentally, it is found that antinode is not formed exactly at the open end, but slightly above the open end. Hence, correction must be added to the length of air column. This correction is called as end correction. It is E equals to 0.3D, where D is internal diameter of the tube. So now how it can be eliminated? So if this is length of string, then I can say lambda by 2 equal to L. Can I say like this? Can I say like this? Lambda by 2 equal to L.
Yes, sir.
So lambda will become 2L or not?
Yes.
So if length is suppose 10 centimeter, what is wavelength lambda then? Is it 20?
Yes, sir.
So if we say resonance, resonance means same frequency. So if this string is in resonance with tuning fork, मतलब सेम फ्रीक्वेंसी में, तो इसका फ्रीक्वेंसी और इसका फ्रीक्वेंसी सेम सेम है. Velocity of sound is constant, no?
Yes, sir.
So if V is constant, N is constant at resonance, तो मैं बोलूंगा लैम्डा भी कांस्टेंट होना चाहिए.
Yes.
मतलब अगर सेम स्ट्रिंग फिर से रेजोनेंस पे आया तो इसका लेंथ अगर डबल होगा तो ही ऐसा होगा. इफ लेंथ को डबल किया और रेजोनेंस फिर से सुनाई दे रहा है, मतलब नाउ ट्वाइस लैम्डा बाय 2 हैज बिकम 10 plus 10 20. Still lambda remains same, no, 20 only. नहीं समझा मैंने.
समझा सर.
देखो लेंथ को मैंने डबल किया तो एक वेव का तो उतना ही लेंथ हो गया ना जो पहले था, लैम्डा बाई 2 10. दो ऐसा लूप आया लेकिन लेंथ डबल किया तो ये 20 हो गया. तो 1 लैम्डा बाई 2 10 ही है ना, फिर से इतना ये 10 ही है ना.
Yes, sir.
तो सेम 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 लैम्डा, सेम सेम स्पीड, तो फ्रीक्वेंसी मैचिंग मैचिंग होएगा, उसको बोलते हैं रेजोनेंस. So by
Yes, sir.
using resonance method, we are going to eliminate end correction. So by that resonance, U is adjusted to vibrate at minimum length. At minimum length. So ये vibrating length भी L1. This is lambda by 4. So we can say L1 plus E is 1 lambda by 4 at first resonance. Now what we do, raise the tube such that again resonance is occurred. So we get this time total distance 3 lambda by 4. So that means this distance I have kept same. खाली wave ज़्यादा हो गया but 1 lambda by 4 same है. So L2 plus E is 3 times lambda by 4 because 3 lambda by 4 we are getting, but lambda is not changing. Have you followed this diagram? This also?
Yes, sir.
Now subtracting 1 from 2, मतलब 1 2 में से माइनस करते हैं. L2 plus E minus L1 plus E is 3 lambda by 4 minus 1 lambda by 4. So L2 plus E minus L1 minus E is 2 lambda by 4. E cancel. So can I say lambda by 2 is L2 minus L1? So lambda is twice of L2 minus L1. Can you see anywhere end correction here? E है क्या ये फॉर्मूला में? E is there in this formula?
No, sir.
No. But we have actually considered. लेकिन कुछ मैथमेटिकल ऑपरेशन करके हमने उसको डिलीट कर दिया, मतलब एलिमिनेट कर दिया. So we can say thus end correction is eliminated. Now velocity V is V into twice of L2 minus L1 can be found accurately without end correction. This is how end correction is eliminated. Doubt?
No, sir.
पक्का?
Yes, sir.
चलो अभी थोड़ा सा 2-3 MCQ करता हूं आपको आइडिया आने के लिए. Can you see that stationary wave का sheet at least now?
Yes, sir.
Just open page number which I told. I think I told you page number 35. Page number 35, please open. See the question number 55. Reverse I am going, 55. In a resonance tube, if a resonance tube is sounded with tuning fork of frequency 256 Hz, then the resonance occurs at 35 centimeter and 105 centimeter. Occurs at 35 and 105 means first L1 35, second wala L2 105. Then what is velocity of sound about? V formula is n lambda, but lambda with correction we got twice of L2 minus L1. Just now I proved it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So n into n is 256 into 2 into 105 minus 35. So this is 252 or 256 into 2 into 70. That means it is 512 into 70. This will come in centimeter per second. So we can say after calculating 7 into 2 is 14, 7 into 1 7 and 1 8, 7 5 are 35, 0. This is centimeter per second. So that will become 358.40 meter per second. 358.40 meter per second. So can I say it is approximately A only? 360? Hello?
Yes, sir.
So same they can ask as numerical. MCQ mein answers are given, you have to check the correct, and numerical you have to write data and that's all. Write 55. Anybody has not followed, please do ask. Huh? So tomorrow at same time, can I take extra lecture?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow extra class, same time.
Sir, can you keep it a time bit early?
I don't have any issue. Other students are free.
No, sir. 2:30 is fine. So my school ends at 1:45. So
2:30 is okay, na?
yeah.
Sir, 2 to 3?
See, Mayank. Hello, Mayank.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
As I said, I don't have problem because but other students they have college, na?
Okay, sir. Okay. So 2:30 is fine for me as well.
Am I saving college, na? So we'll keep 2.
Okay, sir.
Can I clear this 55?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
54. Shortest length of air column in a tube closed at one end that resonates with tuning fork is 16. So minimum length L1 is 16 they are saying. At what length it will have second resonance? So L2 will be how much? With the same tuning fork. Shortest length is 16. Second resonance will be at what? With the same tuning fork. Can you tell? Second resonance will be at what with the same tuning fork if first is at 16? Hello.
Hello, sir.
How many times second length is more? If first resonance is at 16, so second will be at 3 times, no? The first resonance is at lambda by 4, okay? Which is suppose here 16, not followed.
Sir. Followed, sir.
So second resonance takes place when? 3 lambda by 4, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Into 16, that means 48 centimeter. Therefore, option D. How was yesterday's paper? I had given same thing which I have taught you.
So it was easy.
Ah. College exam, try to get full mark. Now I think Akansha, your portion for exam is done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next I will start with heat. So even though if it is not there in your syllabus, you can attend for entrance if you are trying next year. Any entrance.
No, sir. I am not.
You are trying for NATA, no?
No, sir. I am doing for UC.
Which one?
UC.
You said okay. So in entrance it will be required something. So your school teacher has not done heat part.
No, sir. They are not going to teach us that.
So just for general knowledge, you attend lectures when I keep it.
Okay, sir.
53. Completed 55, 54.
Yes, sir.
53. Same type of sum in resonance tube experiment. First resonance and second resonance respectively are at 28 and 88 centimeter. So first length is at 28. Second resonating length of air column is 88. If the frequency of fork is 300, find the speed V. Can you do on your own by using this
Yes, sir. I'll try.
twice of L2 minus L1 S lambda? Please try. I think you will get correct answer.
So I am getting the answer as 3600.
That is in centimeter per second.
Yes, sir.
So in meter it is 360. Correct? Huh? 360.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So answer is correct. Your answer is 52. All of you got same? 360?
Yes, sir.
Next one. 52. A tube closed at one end containing air when excited produces fundamental note of frequency 512. So fundamental frequency for pipe closed at one end is 512 Hz. If the tube of same length is open at both ends, then fundamental frequency can be how much? If it is open at both ends, then what is fundamental? The fundamental frequency of open pipe is V upon 2L. Closed pipe is V upon 4L. So open pipe upon closed pipe is V upon 2L. This is 4L upon V. So V gets cancelled, N gets cancelled. This will become 2 by 1. So fundamental frequency of open pipe is twice that of closed, which is 2 into 512. That is 1024. Option A. So whenever closed pipe is opened, frequency becomes double. Same pipe, when open, then frequency becomes double. Completed, then say.
Done, sir.
Read the next one.
An organ pipe closed at one end has fundamental frequency of 1500 hertz. The maximum number of overtones generated by this pipe which a normal person can hear is.
Okay. Mark it, very important. Can anybody tell me normal human ear can hear the frequency of what range? That is not given there. You should know. What is normal range of frequency which a common person
20 to 20,000 hertz.
correct 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. So they're telling if closed pipe is resonating, an organ pipe closed at one end has frequency fundamental 1500, maximum number of overtone generated by this pipe which person can hear. So I know person can hear maximum up to 20,000. So I'm checking 20,000 में कितना हार्मोनिक होगा. So 52 important sum है. वो लोग ने बोला एक पाइप है closed at one end जिसका फंडामेंटल फ्रीक्वेंसी 1500 है. तो ऐसा कितना मल्टीपल में वाइब्रेट होएगा, कितना ओवरटोन में वाइब्रेट होएगा कि सामने वाला उसको सुनेगा. So closed pipe has which harmonics? Closed pipe, yeah, which frequencies it has? N, 3N, 5N, 7N, 9N, 11N, 13N, 15N, odd harmonics, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if I can find human ear का maximum limit में कौन सा harmonic closed pipe का है, so I can check which overtone can be maximum emitted. This is called fundamental, if you know. This is
Yes, sir.
overtone.
Yes.
Idea आ गया? So I'm just
Yes, sir.
finding that n given upon n fundamental of closed pipe में कितना हार्मोनिक. गिवन मतलब जो आदमी सुन सकेगा. मैक्सिमम ही कैन हियर 20,000 ना.
Yes, sir.
Upon 1,500, 2 zeros cancel. 15 into or 5 3s of 15, 40. So I get 13.33. Correct?
Yes, so
but harmonics cannot be in decimal, तो इसको 13 ले लेता हूँ. That means audible range is 13 times fundamental. That means 13th harmonic. Now 13th harmonic is which overtone? Therefore 13 harmonic is equals to overtone count करते हैं. First, second, third,
6th overtone, sir.
sixth. सही समझ. So वो इंसान जो सुनने वाला है मैक्सिमम उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी 20,000. क्लोज पाइप का विच हार्मोनिक? I got 13. 13th harmonic is 6th overtone. Very important sum. Many times asked this type of confusion वाला question. Copy full. Understand and copy. Yeah? If you have not understood, ask me. I will explain. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, coming to next sum now. Sum number 51. An organ pipe closed at one end. अरे हो गया 51 only we did I think. Hello?
Yes, sir.
51 we did. No? Anything we have missed? We did all, no? 55, sir? Just
Yes,
check.
sir.
Acha. Sum number 50. Again, beautiful sum. A closed organ pipe of length L. Closed organ pipe का length is L. And an open organ pipe contain gases of density closed pipe rho 1, open pipe का gas का density rho 2. The compressibility is same. What is reciprocal of bulk modulus called as? I have given you earlier. Compressibility is reciprocal of bulk modulus. That means if compressibility is same, can I say bulk modulus is same? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Compressibility is reciprocal of bulk modulus. तो अगर compressibility same तो bulk modulus भी same ना?
Yes.
Okay. Both are vibrating in first overtone. That means frequency of first overtone of closed is same as frequency of first overtone of open. Both are in same frequency but in first overtone. So what is length of open organ pipe? First overtone of closed, can I say it is 3 times fundamental of closed? Correct now?
Yes.
And open ka first overtone is twice fundamental.
Yes, sir.
So this is
Yes.
velocity of air in closed pipe upon length of closed. Velocity in open pipe upon twice length of open. This is cancel. So you can say therefore length of open pipe is 3 by 4 times length of closed pipe into velocity of closed upon velocity of open. So this is 3 by 4 times L. What is formula for velocity of sound in gas? Gamma P by rho. है ना? Velocity of sound
Yes.
is root of gamma P by rho. Correct no? But for gas, gamma is bulk modulus. Are you remembering? We have done this in theory.
Yes, sir.
So this can be written as K V of closed pipe is bulk modulus in closed upon density in closed into reciprocal density of open upon bulk of open, but bulk modulus is same. Just check this option is there. 3 by 4 L root of rho 2 upon rho 1. Is it there in the option? It is 4L by 3. So cross multiplication and mistake हुआ. Length of open pipe. Yes, length of open pipe we wanted. Length of open pipe in cross multiplication there is small error. See. So length of open pipe is equals to, if you cross multiply, you will get 4 times length of closed pipe upon 3 into open pipe ka speed upon closed pipe. So that will become 4 times capital L by 3 root of bulk modulus K upon open pipe's density is rho 2 into 1 upon bulk modulus upon rho 1. So K will get cancelled. So this will become 4L by 3 root of rho 1 by rho 4. Now you all have followed.
Yes, sir.
So correct option is C. Right, properly.
Done, sir.
Shall I clear off?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. A closed organ pipe and open organ pipe of same length produce two beats. What is meaning of producing two beats? Hello? What is meaning of 2 beats per second? It is called beat frequency.
Yes, sir.
So beat frequency का मतलब difference in the frequency.
So
Yes.
So if the pipes are of same length, तो close का frequency ज्यादा क्या open का ज्यादा? Same length में. हाँ, open वाले का frequency ज्यादा क्या close वाले का?
Sir, open.
Open वाले का क्योंकि उसका फॉर्मूला V upon 2L है और closed वाले का फॉर्मूला V upon 4L है. So frequency of open is greater than frequency of closed, no?
Yes, sir.
And they are telling difference in their frequency is 2 beats per second. Not followed this line.
Followed, sir.
Okay, आगे condition क्या दिया? When they are in their fundamental mode, they are giving 2 beat. If length of open pipe is made half and closed pipe is double, then what is number of beats produced? So if I know original open pipe का frequency, closed pipe का frequency, तो नया ढूंढ सकता हूँ ना. फिर दोनों का डिफरेंस निकालूंगा तो मुझे बीट फ्रीक्वेंसी मिलेगा. हेलो हेलो हेलो.
yes, sir.
So in original case their length is same ना, they are saying. बाद में बोला open is made half length है ना, and closed is made double. ये बाद में किया ना वो लोग ने.
Yes, sir.
तो जब भी दोनों का लेंथ सेम तो दोनों का फ्रीक्वेंसी में फर्क 2, लेकिन ओपन वाला क्लोज्ड का डबल होगा ना, है ना. But open is double of closed, correct? No.
Yes, sir.
So can I say double closed minus one time closed is B, is 2 bits. So closed का frequency हो गया 2. नहीं समझ में आया?
समझा, sir.
तो open का कितना होगा 4. ये start में बराबर. ओके. तो जब ये ओपन को हाफ किया तो उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी डबल हो जाएगा ना पहले का, क्योंकि इनवर्सली
Yes, sir.
तो 8 हो जाएगा, है ना. और जब ये क्लोज्ड को डबल किया तो उसका फ्रीक्वेंसी हाफ ऑफ पहले वाला होएगा, मतलब हाफ ऑफ 2 होएगा, यानी कि 1. सो बिट फ्रीक्वेंसी हो जाएगा नया वाला ओपन माइनस नया वाला क्लोज, so 8 minus 1, that means 7. ओके.
Yes, sir.
बहुत सही समय, एकदम अच्छे से करो. अंडरस्टैंड एंड डू. नहीं समझा तो वापस वापस पूछो, बट बहुत ब्यूटीफुल समय है. एनी डाउट? शैल आई एक्सप्लेन अगेन और यू गॉट द आइडिया? Yes, Anmol, got the idea? Shall I explain again? क्या समझ गया?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Okay. Anybody who has not understood, please ask. Done?
Yes, sir.
रब करता हूँ थोड़ा, रब कर दो. Can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 48. ये भी काफी सम. A string vibrates at both ends, is vibrating at lowest end, lowest mode. What is meaning of lowest mode? Lowest mode means fundamental frequency ना. सबसे कम वाइब्रेशन मतलब फंडामेंटल ना.
Yes, sir.
सो लोएस्ट मोड का मतलब होता है फंडामेंटल मोड. फॉर विच अ पॉइंट at quarter of its length, 1/4 of the length is 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. So at 1/4 length, they are saying it is anti-node. Maximum displacement means anti-node. The frequency in this mode is 100 hertz. So that means when it is vibrating like this, node, 1/4 पे anti-node, again node, here anti-node and node, then it is fundamental mode. Okay. Hello. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो फंडामेंटल मोड में एक लूप नहीं है. वो लोग ने क्या बोला? इट इज वाइब्रेटिंग विथ 1/4 एट एंटी नोड. तो 2 लूप आ गया ना, अगर ये 1/4 डिस्टेंस लिया तो 1/4 है ना.
Yes, sir.
सबको इधर तक समझा है, क्योंकि इसके बाद अभी मस्त आया आगे. सो लोएस्ट मोड मीन्स फंडामेंटल, बट इन फंडामेंटल at 1/4 of distance there is amplitude. So 1/4 amplitude I have divided into 4 part. 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. So this part is 1/4, 1/4, है ना?
Yes, sir.
But when the string vibrates in next mode such that given point is again maximum point, then what is frequency? Ame, what is meaning of next mode? After fundamental, who is next mode? Next mode? Can I say the second mode?
Yes,
Yeah. And for second mode, how many extra node comes between two two nodes? One extra node will come, na?
yes, sir.
तो ये तो एंटी नोड है, ये नोड है स्टार्ट में, लेकिन नेक्स्ट मोड में तो एक और एक्स्ट्रा नोड आ जाता है ना दोनों के बीच में. ये मीनिंग होता है ना.
Yes, sir.
तो ये आ गया, मतलब जो पहला हाफ लूप था अभी वो कितना हो गया? 1.5 ना.
Yes, sir.
So can I say that means half loop becomes 1.5 loop?
Yes, sir.
1.5 means how many times more?
One time.
No, no, 1.5 कैसा? वन टाइम कैसे मोर?
Sir, half loop से 1.5 हुआ ना.
हाँ, तो कितना? 3 टाइम हो गया ना.
Sir, 3 by.
3 टाइम्स हो गया ना.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is, it has become 3 times ना. नहीं समझ में आया? जैसे 0.5.
समझा सर.
ओके, तो हाफ से 1.5 हो गया, मतलब 3 टाइम्स हो गया. 3 टाइम्स. तो फ्रीक्वेंसी अपना 3 टाइम्स हो गया ऑफ ओरिजिनल, मतलब 300. ये आंसर है. एकदम खतरनाक समय, जेडबल में भी आ सकता है, नीट में भी आ सकता है. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल समय. सो लोएस्ट मोड मीन्स फंडामेंटल मोड, next mode means second mode. So half loop will become 1.5, therefore it becomes 3 times, frequency becomes 3 times. 3 times means 3 into 100, 300.
Done, sir.
Okay. So all beautiful sums we did. Please practice again. I'm not giving any homework because you all have exam. So please revise the chapters ka theory properly for your exam.